So here is how you can adjust the iPad's split screen in portrait mode. Let's explain that. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe, and therefore you're not going to miss anything important. So there are like two main things which you might have in mind. First of all, if you have your apps, if you want to use them in the split screen in a sense that you want the app window to be vertical or portrait, you can of course just grab the corner of the app like this and just make it go all the way to the left, or just shrink it as much as possible so you have this like portrait vertical window of your particular app. However, if you have your entire iPad in the portrait orientation, it also kind of works similarly, because in there you can as well open up your apps and not have them full screen, but instead just grab the corner of the page like that, and you can choose different sizes for the split screen like that, and you can have multiple windows floating on your screen. Or what you can also do is to open up like a few more apps in here as well, like have a few floating windows like that, and you can just flip and like flick the page to one side and to the other, and you can see that you end up with a full screen taken up by two apps. So this is the perfect split view, not just like windows laying on top of each other. And you can also adjust the size by using the drag tool in the middle, so you can adjust it perfectly to fit your needs. So I really hope that I was able to explain all of the possible scenarios and features which you might be interested in. So let me know what you think about that below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos as well.